Tapita.
Jambo.
There is a lot of traffic jam here. People are stranded. Vehicles are not. So guys, vehicles are not moving. There is a lot of jam here in Eastleigh. And I think it's because of the rain season. So let's keep on walking, guys. Oh. Nothing I show. So guys, I met these people in the streets of Eastleigh and they are so nice. I love you all. Utajiona kwa YouTube, Claudia Walk. Sawa sawa. Claudia Walk. Utajiona hapo. Anzia hapo. Simama hapo. Nasa YouTube, Claudia Walk. So unajua social media. Tumwambie. Kila mtu kwa social media siku hizi, si ndio? Sina kucreate hapo hivyo. Haya, kitu brother. Anaogopa nini? Usiogope kitu watu kwa mtandao. Ndio. Haya basi. So guys, you know when you go somewhere you have to create good relationship with people because you never know. You never know what is around. We are in Eastleigh. Guys, still vehicles are not moving because of traffic jam here. I don't know which street is this, guys. I think I'm lost. So I don't know which street is this, but I think I'll just walk. Yeah. I'm enjoying everything about here, guys. I remember I'm alone in these streets. I don't know how people will react about me taking videos, me vlogging in the streets, but I think they will love it. I think people will get used to this street because, you know, guys, I'm Claudia works, and I have to walk in the streets, guys.
Hey.
Yeah. So guys, let's keep on walking around. No. Can you stop that? Let's keep on walking, guys. This is Eastleigh. So let's keep on walking around, guys. Yeah. Coffee tea? Kwa. Yeah, guys. You know, sometimes I have to show my face on the camera because some people may think that I'm recording them and I don't want this to create some issues on the camera. Yeah. YouTube. So guys, people ask me why am I recording, guys, and I have to tell them. Honestly, I have to tell them that this is for YouTube, this is for content creation. Yeah. Because, you know, most of the people here, I don't know whether they know about social media, but I have to cope with them. Yeah. Hi. So guys, let's keep on walking around. Woo. So, guys, I don't know whether you remember this street. You remember the street which I was treated like, no, the dangerous street. This is the street now, but nowadays I don't care. Let's walk around and see the reaction of the people here around. Yes, this is the street now. So let's keep on walking around. Let's keep on walking around, guys. Yeah. And make sure you subscribe. If you come across this YouTube channel, then mimi YouTube naitwa Claudia Works. On YouTube, utanipata pale kwa YouTube Claudia Works. Sawa?
Dada ni gani?
Safi sana.
Nipeleke na mtaratara.
Nikupeleke na mtaratara. Tuna walk in the street. Mimi natembeanga tu kila street. Niko
ukiangalia vile job za watu nakaa.
Na chenye kimemche.
Na hii asabi yangu ni kama hapo ndo kongepo.
Nini? Hii hadi tu.
Ndio tutapiana vizuri.
Ndio. Twende basi.
Imeenda.
Nisongea hapa basi. Au nikuje nikae hiyo side nyingine.
Na sasa tunaonekana.
Naenda kwa edit baadaye. Kama uko na smartphone utajiona kwa Claudia Works on YouTube. Tunaonekana. Mwambie hello wa subscribe kwa Claudia Works.
Hello. Dada safi. Mambo ni matatu.
Mwambie wa subscribe kwa Claudia Works.
Kweli?
Mwambie subscribe.
Subscribe
kwa Claudia Works.
Claudia Works.
Yes.
Yeah.
Haya. Lakini kwa fiti? Hapa ndo nafanyanga biashara.
Kabisa hapa ndo napiga shughuli.
Ni vizuri wacha watu wang'ang'ane. Sasa at least nimekujua, nitakuwa napitia hapa na kupromote na kubaia lunch. Si ndio? Mimi uko huku kila weekend.
Sijai kuona.
Niona sasa ni vile hatujajuana, lakini sasa hizi si unanijua.
Nishakujua sasa. Mambo itaelekea.
Sawa sawa basi. Si nitakuwa napitia hapa na next weekend napitia hapa Huduma Center, si ndio? 11th Street. Nitakuwa napitia hapa. Please tunakula kalaji bana.
Kabisa. Boke.
Sawa sawa. Bye. Bye. So guys, let's keep on walking in the street, guys. Yeah. You know, this video is more different from what I experienced last time. And I'm enjoying, guys. Guys, people are looking at me there. Look at behind. So let's keep on walking around, guys. You know, I've told you one thing. When you go to a place, make sure you interact with people so good. Because you never know, guys. Eh? Remember last time I had a bad experience. But what's happening today? What's happening today? Yeah, I'm enjoying these streets. And guys, if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe to my channel. Watch the video to the end. Yeah. Remember, we're in the street of Eastleigh. I'm just walking around, having fun, getting experience, exploring Eastleigh. Yeah. If you come from Eastleigh, let me know. If you come from Eastleigh, let me know here. I might visit you next time. If you have a business, you can comment down below. Wambi wa subscribe kwa Claudia Works. Wa subscribe kwa Claudia Works YouTube channel. Wa subscribe. Kwa Claudia Works. Haya, fini. Yeah. So guys, if you see me doing a video with the same outfit, just know that I did it the same day. I created the content the same day. So guys, this is another video and I think I should cut it there. So subscribe. Bye.